Now this is Angie, she's the master. So since morning she's been here cleaning all the garbage, all the kachra.
There was no
Then
garbage.
they painted this whole wall white, which was a very dirty, disgusting wall. They painted it white and now we're painting it the colors of our flag. So Angie, why are you doing it? Why are you working so hard to make it beautiful?
Yeah, that, and it's fun. And yeah, so many people are not actually artists because they turned up and we didn't manage, so they couldn't actually paint. So they're all friends who've never painted before. Yeah, they're friends who've never painted before and everybody's enjoying it. That's the whole point. It's like a better way to spend your time than just sitting at home and watching something.
So now we've targeted 50 locations till Independence Day. This is location 1. So
Prime
are you going to do
location.
all 50?
I'll go and maybe
yeah.
stroke a brush in each.
Okay, so now tell me, what does Republic mean to you? Like, Republic means the day we became one.
It's like a
So
holiday.
It's a holiday. Awesome. And tell me now that since the theme of all this that we are doing is reclaim and your India, how you see your India. So how do you see your India? How do you want it to be?
I just wanted to be happy for everyone because if I say I wanted to be a certain way, that's limiting other people from, you have to compromise somewhere. And I think that you can do if you do whatever crazy shit you want as long as it's not bothering anyone. Yeah, then it's fine. Like, do whatever you want. Just don't, find a compromise, basically. You can't have everything your way and neither can everybody else.
So you're saying peace for everyone. Everyone should be
Yeah,
happy and
yeah.
be free to live.
Yeah,
and
yeah. Why not?
All right. And I can't ask you what you're doing to make the change because I can see it. So awesomeness.
Yeah, love you, sis.
Come on.